Welcome to Techie channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to see hidden files on your Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. Now, there are many hidden files on your Windows computer. This is because of a security feature, because a lot of system files, if you change them, you will face problems. So the system basically hides them from you. And you can also manually hide many files. And basically to see them again, what you need to do is just open up your Windows Explorer. As you can see, this app data is kind of blurred, or rather kind of faded away than other folders. This is because it is a hidden folder, but I can see it. The reason behind is I have hidden items enabled. So to do that, what you need to do is go inside view. From here, go to show, and from here just make sure there's a check beside hidden items. As you can see, mine is there, so I can see the hidden item. But if I remove it, as you can see, app data has been disappeared. But if I want to see the hidden items, I just click on view in my Explorer, then click on show and click on hidden items. Now this is a global settings. It will change your settings everywhere. Inside every folder, you can see hidden items now. There you go. Then just close this. And basically that is how to see hidden items on your Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.